Coming up in today's episode.
Mom, look at me!
Just a second, Lisa. Hey guys, welcome back to my page. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more videos.
Mom, can you look at my drawings?
Lisa, you know I'm editing this video right now. I need to upload it soon. My followers are waiting for me.
But Mom, I've been waiting for a long time too. Dad, I drew something. Can you take a look?
Hey, sweetie, I'm in the middle of a game right now.
But Dad, please.
I know, honey, but I can't right now.
Mom is always busy with her phone. Dad is always busy with his games. Nobody ever has time for me. Wow, I'm getting so many views and likes now. Until yesterday, hardly anyone was watching my reels. This is amazing! People really liked this kind of video. I should make more reels like this. Maybe I'll get even more followers today. This outfit isn't right. It's probably not going to attract many viewers. I need something better. If I want more views and likes, I have to wear something that stands out. Perfect. This one is going to do really well.
Mom, look at me!
Just a second, Lisa. Hey guys, welcome back to my page. A lot of you have been asking about my favorite makeup products, so today I'm going to show you my quick, everyday makeup routine. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more videos.
Mom, can you look at my drawings?
Lisa, you know I'm editing this video right now. I need to upload it soon. My followers are waiting for me.
But Mom, I've been waiting for a long time too.
Just a little longer, sweetheart.
Why is Mom always like this? Every time I want to tell her something, she's busy with her phone. I don't like it at all. All she cares about is getting more views and followers. Maybe those people online are more important to her than I am. Maybe she doesn't like me anymore. I just wanted her to look at my drawings. It would only take a minute. Is that really too much to ask?
Hey Lisa, guess what?
Did you get more followers?
Yeah, sweetie! The video I just uploaded is getting so many views. Can you believe it? Thousands of people have already watched it.
That's great, Mom.
Hey Lisa, I have an idea.
What is it?
How about we make a reel together?
A reel?
Yup, it'll be fun. I'll ask you some questions, and you can answer them with your cute little responses. My followers would absolutely love it. And you can even dance to some of the songs I play. People love videos with cute kids dancing. I bet it would get tons of views.
No, Mom, I'm not interested.
What? Why not?
I don't care about followers or views. I'm not interested in that stuff.
Really? That's kind of boring.
Maybe I am the boring girl.
Hey.
Maybe Dad will listen. Dad is always so nice. I'm sure he'll have time for me. I'll go talk to Dad instead. Dad, I drew something. Can you take a look?
Hey, sweetie, I'm in the middle of a game right now.
But Dad, please.
I know, honey, but I can't right now.
Mike, behind you, watch out!
See? I have to stay focused.
I guess Dad doesn't want to talk to me either. Mom is always busy with her phone. Dad is always busy with his games. Nobody ever has time for me. I wish I had someone to talk to. Someone who would actually listen to me. What am I supposed to do now? Maybe I'll go for a walk. Maybe I'll take a little money from Mom's wallet so I can buy something to eat. Mom probably won't even notice. She's too busy making reels anyway. And Dad said it might snow today. I'd better wear my winter jacket, just in case. There you go. Wow, being outside actually feels nice. Maybe I should go for a walk every day. Oh, there's the bakery.
Wow, my favorite cake!
Hey there, little girl. What can I get for you today?
Can I have a slice of tres leches cake, please?
Of course. Enjoy your cake, sweetheart.
I will, thank you. I'll sit in the park and eat my cake. That'll be relaxing. I can enjoy my cake while watching other people play. This is actually nice. Fresh air, my favorite cake, and a quiet place.
Oh, you want attention? Sorry, buddy, I'm busy right now. Go play somewhere else.
Go away, I'm busy. I don't have anything for you. That's strange. Why is that puppy going to everyone? Is he trying to tell them something? Oh, it's getting dark. And it's starting to snow. I think I should head home now. Oh, wait, why is he barking at me now? Is he trying to scare me? He doesn't look scary. Actually, he looks sad. He looks like he needs help. Is he trying to tell me something? Wait, do you want me to follow you? Oh, okay, I'll follow you. Hey, slow down! Where are you taking me? Wait, this isn't the way. This is an alley. Oh, you want me to trust you? Woof! Okay, I'll follow you. But don't run too fast. Hey, wait! Whoa! Hey, don't laugh! Are you laughing at me? You are a funny puppy. I think I'll give you a name. I like brownies, so I'll call you Brownie from now on. Why did you stop? What happened? Oh no! Brownie, you stopped to help him? You really are a kind puppy. I love you so much. Are you checking if it's safe? Let's cross together. Wait, this is a big building. Do you want me to go inside? But this looks like an apartment building. Are you sure you want me to go in? Okay, I'll trust you. You want to go in the elevator? Okay, let's go. Now what? 30th floor. Okay, where do you want me to go now? There are so many apartments here. Is this the place? Hey, wait for me! Oh no! She's on the floor! Oh my god! What happened to her? Can you please wake up? She's not waking up! We need to call 911 right now! Is this 911?
Yes, this is 911. What's your emergency?
Please help! There's a woman here and she's unconscious!
Okay, what's the address?
I don't know the address. I followed a puppy here.
That's okay. We can use your phone number to help find your location.
Please hurry!
We already have help on the way.
Thank you.
Stay right where you are and keep an eye on her.
We're here. Where's the patient?
She's over here!
Thank you. What happened?
I'm not sure. I found her lying on the floor. She was unconscious when I got here.
Okay. Did you see her fall?
No, I didn't.
Has she woken up at all?
No, she hasn't.
All right. We'll take care of her.
Is she going to be okay?
We don't know yet, but we're taking her to the hospital right away.
Okay, I hope she's all right.
All right, young lady. We'll take it from here. We're going to examine her and run some tests. We'll let you know as soon as we have an update.
Okay, thank you.
In the meantime, could you please wait outside with your puppy?
Okay, doctor.
We're doing everything we can. We'll come talk to you soon.
Hey, Brownie, you're amazing. You led me all the way here and helped save her. I don't know what to say.
Hey kid, she had a heart attack, but she's stable now. We're doing everything we can to help her. It's a good thing you brought her here on time.
Thank you, doctor.
Hey, is she okay? I'm sorry, who are you? I'm her sister, and this is my friend.
Oh, okay. The doctor said she had a heart attack, but she's stable now. Don't worry.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you. Wait, how do you know my sister?
I don't know her.
Let me record this and upload it. I'll definitely get a lot of views and likes. Then how did you find her?
It's all because of Brownie. I was sitting in the park when Brownie came to me. He kept trying to get my attention. I thought he needed help, so I followed him. That's how I found your sister and called 911.
Wow, that's amazing. By the way, are you here alone?
Yes.
Where are your mom and dad?
My mom is always busy making videos on her phone. My dad is always playing games and talking with his friends.
They haven't been looking for you? It's already late.
They probably won't. Maybe they forgot about me.
Oh, sweetheart, no.
My mom says I'm a boring girl.
No, you're not. You saved my sister.
Yeah, but my mom and dad don't really talk to me. I feel alone at home. And you know what? I got lost once in New York.
Really? What happened?
My mom was busy making videos on her phone. I walked over to an ice cream shop, and when I came back, I couldn't find her.
Oh, dear.
I really don't like all this social media stuff. These videos and reels are taking my mom and dad away from me.
Oh, sweetheart, don't worry. All right, I think I have enough footage. I'm going to upload this video now. This is definitely going to get a lot of views.
I really don't like all this social media stuff. These videos and reels are taking my mom and dad away from me.
Oh, sweetheart, don't worry. Oh my God. Is that Lisa? I didn't even realize she wasn't at home. Nick, come here. Have you seen this video?
What video? Wait, is that Lisa?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Nick, it's all our fault. She left the house, and we didn't even realize she was gone.
I can't believe this.
We were so busy with our phones that we stopped paying attention to our own daughter.
We really let her down.
Nick, we're terrible parents. We never asked how she was feeling.
I know, we have to do better. But it's not too late to make things right. Let's be better parents. Let's stop letting our phones distract us and start focusing on our daughter.
You're right, she needs us more than our screens do.
Now, let's go to the hospital. She's probably scared and thinks we don't care.
Yeah, I really wanted to see her right now. Lisa, my dear.
Mom,
My sweetheart,
Dad,
We're so sorry.
we're really sorry, honey.
She saved my sister. I can't thank her enough. Yeah, I saw the whole thing in the video.
video? Mom, how did you even know I was here?
Well, I recorded a video of you and my friend talking. Then I uploaded it online.
Wait, you uploaded my video?
Yeah, your mom saw it and messaged me. I told her which hospital you were at, and she came right away.
Oh,
You know what, Lisa? Most kids copy what they see their parents doing. If their parents spend all day on their phones,
They usually end up doing the same thing. But you're different, Lisa.
you didn't spend your time on your phone.
Instead, you helped someone who was in trouble. You actually saved a woman's life today.
You acted more like the parent, and we acted more like the kids. Honestly, we're ashamed of ourselves.
You taught us a very important lesson today, Lisa.
A lesson we'll never forget, and we're going to do better from now on.
Actually, I'm thinking about making another video. A video about how your parents realized their mistake and reunited with you. People would love that story.
Seriously? You guys are never going to stop making videos, are you?
Okay, maybe just one last video.
Guys, do you really think my parents learned their lesson? Let me know what you think in the comments. And one more thing. Everyone keeps saying that I saved the woman. But was it really me? Or was it Brownie? What do you think, Brownie? I think Brownie deserves most of the credit. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.